So the first thing we're going to do is to solder two wires together. And so my wires have insulation on them, which means I need to remove it on the end so that I can actually solder the wires. So to do that, I'm going to use these wire strippers, and you'll see that they have these numbers on them which represent the different sizes of wires that can be used with this tool. And so I have a 24 gauge wire here. I'll place it in my pliers, clamp down the pliers, pull, and then you'll see here I have an end of stripped wire. You can also do this with scissors. So here I'll use the sharp end of the wire strippers, and essentially you want to cut through only the insulation without cutting all the way through the wire. And if you rotate the wire around to cut the insulation all the way around, and then you can pull it off and have another stripped wire.